What's up, everybody? I just got a package from Google that I wasn't expecting. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but I am a member of the Google Pixel Superfans community on Facebook, and I suspect it's something from there. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know that technology is one of the things I love. I've been using a Google phone since the original Nexus, and I've had every one up till now. I have the Pixel 6 Pro right now. So I'm excited to show you what's in here. I figured I'd go ahead and video what's in this box here in front of me. So I'm gonna set you up on a tripod and show you exactly what they sent me. Stay tuned. All right, here we go. All right, well, Nest Audio, some socks, wow, that's really cool. So, looks like got a bunch of confetti in here too. All right, so those socks are super cool. Pixel 6 Pro. So this is the Nest Audio. I do not have one of these. I have pretty much every smart speaker and other smart device that Google has. I do not have one of these. I'm really excited about that, actually. In sky color. I have a room where that will work out really well. So wow, that's really cool. So the Nest Audio will, basically it's a smart speaker. So if you're familiar with the Google Home, it's kind of the next iteration of that. The audio is supposed to be really, really good on it. I'm excited to try that out. And I don't know what this is. Let's see what this is. Huh. That looks like, yeah, that looks like some pencils, colored pencils. I hope this is a coloring book. Please be a coloring book. Oh, it's a coloring book. Sweet. Yeah, I pretty much have every device they have in here. Chromecast, Pixel. Google Wi-Fi. I don't know if that's a Nest or not, but I have one of those too. Camera, doorbell. Yep. Huh. What exactly is that? There's a QR code, colors.withgoogle.com. We'll have to check that out. So there's a listing here for all the different products in the coloring book that they have in there. That's really cool. Like I said, oh, you see that right there? Pixel 6a. Well, that's interesting. Hold on, let's go back to that page. Page 6 and 7, Nest thermostat. Well, they don't have it in there. Huh. Unless I'm just missing it, I don't see the... I wonder if it's on the website. There's the QR code again if you want to... Let me bring that in real close. Hopefully that will let you scan it. All right, well, that's super awesome. Thank you, Google, for sending me this stuff. I'm proud to be a super fan, and I really appreciate the swag, the socks, the colored pencils, the coloring book, and the audio. Super sweet. If you're not a super fan, I don't know if they have it open for everybody yet or not, but every once in a while they'll open invites. So if you're not on there, I know there's some other good sites on Facebook as well that are Pixel related. I just wanted to share my experience with you. That's the first care package I've ever gotten from Google, and I thought what better opportunity to go ahead and video that so you can see what I got. Stay tuned for more videos. Hope you enjoyed it. See ya.